So my next question is for you. What is Cypress Fixtures? Fixtures, I guess. How do you
Yes,
use it in your
picture.
test?
Okay, Cypress Fixture are used to store and manage external data files, allowing you to load and use test data in your test. In my recent automation project, I utilized Cypress Fixture to manage test data for API tests. I stored various test data scenario in JSON file within the Fixture folder. During test execution, I loaded those files, Fixture using cy.fixture data file name, the file name, and then dot data, then the FATRO method, FATRO function to populate request payload and validate responses. Uh, this approach ensure consistent and reusable test data, improving the efficiency and reliability of my automated tests. Thank you.
Got it.